Okay, so that's how much regular 2-stroke fuel is in this chainsaw. Not much.
A little dirty.
A little dirty. But that's what was in that saw, what you guys just seen running. It's a Johnson Red CS 2255. It's a 55cc saw.
Oiler's messed up.
Oiler's messed up. I'm missing the top cover. I bought a bunch of saws throughout the years just to more or less do this. He's got this one rigged up for to go on a bicycle, so we can show that here in a second as well. Now to do the ratio of the nitrometh. Like a capful maybe. Yeah, just a wee little bit compared to what the fuel is in it. So like a capful to the fuel amount that was in it. And this is an experiment to see how much nitrometh it takes to blow up a chainsaw.
I wouldn't say blow it up.
Well,
how much it'll survive.
Yeah, see how much it'll survive till it blows up. Same thing with the leaf blower that we did on the TikTok live. We figured we'd do an actual video for this one, so that way you guys can, if you don't get to see it on the live, you at least have, get to see it and go back through it and show it to people, send it to people. But we posted the video of this one running before without nitrometh. This will be with a cap full of nitrometh. Not bad for one capful.
Still sounding pretty decent.
Sounds like a normal chainsaw still. Put a little bit more in it. The old measuring jug. Put about another capful's worth in it. And we're doing this just to show you guys, be able to see how much we're actually putting in each time.
And how much you'll get away with.
Right, and how much you'll get away with before destruction. We may not see destruction, or we may. Depends on how far we go. It is a junk saw. Take that into consideration. I made my $100 that I bought this for probably 3 years ago. Now it's entertainment for you guys.
Show them that clutch.
Yeah, here, bring it over here. Let's see if you guys can see it in there or not. I blocked the sun. There we go. You can see the little sprocket. He took the clutch off and made this sprocket fit in there and welded her up. So it was going to go on a bike frame, but we figured, hell, this is a little more cool. And I got a lot more chainsaw motors I can make into a motorcycle, like a bicycle motorcycle. Still sounding pretty normal. Might be picking up a little bit of pep. Oh, you can smell the difference. You can smell the nitrometh. If anyone knows what a 2-stroke is supposed to smell like, you can smell the nitrometh mixing with it as it runs. And the more we add to it. God, that's an interesting smell. If you know the smell, leave a comment below, because it's definitely a unique smell. A lot of RC guys know what that nitrometh smells like. Go a little bit more of that Traxxas nitrometh. The nitrometh has already claimed one. Another little bit about a cap full, maybe a little more. Oh yeah. She's running on meth, all right. No, so that's
I'd
comparison to what we were getting before.
say we've got to be at least 75% nitro.
Oh yeah, compared to the fuel that we got in it.
Yeah, going in now. It's gotta
Oh,
be going
most definitely.
75%. It's got to be.
Most definitely. Guys, how much nitro is too much nitro? That blower over there, it took like 90% before it blew sky high. Yeah, it starts great. You can smell it though. It's definitely, it's converting straight over. Hey, that's nitro. It's like you're running a little RC car. Chainsaws might be a little stronger than leaf blowers. That's pretty long. That's like 75% straight nitro. And it's bouncing it off the rev limiter and taking it. Man, what is it going to take? This is right here proof that Johnson Red used to be a dang good working saw. And that's taken.
That is a Husqvarna clone.
Yeah, it's like Husqvarna clone. So that's 75%. Should we do another cap full? See where it takes us. Well, he thinks we should go 100%. So sure, that might be what it is. Take this out, see what our mixture is now, what it looks like, and then just put straight 100% in it.
Yeah,
So let's see what that does, because it's running good at like 75% is what we're thinking it's mixed in there right now. Here we go. Oh, guys.
Well, nitrometh is made up of water.
So. Yeah, that's a lot of... Man. So close to probably being full.
Just straight nitro.